So this is the summary of the poem Beat Beat Drums by Walt Whitman. So these are the important points. This poem was published in 1861. This poem was written at the beginning of Civil War. This poem is written in free verse. In this poem, poet wants the musical instruments like bugles and drums to play so loudly that it disturbs everyone's attention. Here, musical instruments symbolize war. So this is the poem. Beat beat drums, blow bugles, blow through the windows, through doors, burst like ruthless force into the solemn church and scatter the congregation, into the school where the scholar is studying. Leave not the bridegroom quiet, no happiness must he have now with his bride, nor the peaceful farmer any peace, plowing his field or gathering his grain. So fierce you whir and pound your drums, so shrill you bugles blow. So when the poem opens, we see that the poet wants bugles and drums beat so loudly that this sound reaches to every person. According to the poet, war affects everyone's life, so everyone should be aware of it. He wants these instruments to create such a loud sound that it bursts through the windows and doors. He wants this sound to reach to the church, making the congregation scatter. He also wants this sound to disturb a scholar studying at school and also a bride and groom trying to find some privacy to make love to each other. He also wants this sound reach to the farmer plowing his field or gathering his grain. So this sound should be so loud and strong that it can be heard more than the sound of the traffic in the cities. Beat beat drums, blow bugles, blow over the traffic of cities, over the rumble of wheels in the streets. Are beds prepared for sleepers at night in the houses? No sleepers must sleep in those beds. No bargainers bargain by day, no brokers or speculators. Would they continue? Would the talkers be talking? Would the singer attempt to sing? Would the lawyer rise in the court to state his case before the judge? Then rattle quicker, heavier drums, you bugles, wilder blow. So in these lines, poet is saying that this sound should be so strong and loud that it should keep people awake and disturb the talks of shoppers, singers, brokers, and other conversations as well. So this sound should also disturb a lawyer who is standing before the judge during the trial. So this sound should be so loud and strong. Come to the next lines. Beat beat drums, blow bugles, blow, make no parley, stop for no expostulation, mind not the timid, mind not the weeper or prayer, mind not the old man beseeching the young man, let not the child's voice be heard, nor the mother's entreaties, make even the trestles to shake the dead where they lie awaiting the hearsay. So strong you thump, O terrible drum, so loud you bugles blow. Now he wants this sound to keep playing and not to pay attention to any discussion or explanation, okay, or any other conversation. So he wants this sound not to pay attention to any person praying, weeping, okay. So these lines reflect the tension within the families during the American Civil War. So this sound should be so loud that it should shake the dead people as well. And here the poem ends.